But then at night, when he's in Rahasya Sangha, Antaranga Bhaktas, when he's with his Antaranga Bhaktas, Swarup Damodar Goswami and Rai Ramananda, then he's hearing the Gita Govind. And that's what Swarup Damodar told him. During the Rath Yatra, you're a king. The only way you'll enter the heart and attract, because if you stay in the external level, if you stay in the external Maryada level, you're a king. And if you stay on the external Maryada means conduct, behavior, tradition, position, Varna. If you stay on this level and approach him as a king or approach your servants, you'll never get anywhere, because he'll think and consider, I am a sannyasi, you are a king, you represent women and money and Maya, so I will not meet with you. So that was the block. He could not meet with Lord Chaitanya. So then Swarup Damodar says, listen, give up all your Rajvesh, all your royal garments and gold, wear a simple white dhoti like a Bengali yatri, and wash all the oil out of your hair and look like an ordinary person, but memorize the Gopi Gita from the chapter 31 of the 10th canto of Bhagavatam. So he did that.